friends, the topic for today is how to use subscript and superscript in Microsoft Word. Just go to Microsoft document. So this is a sample document, right? So in this video I will explain you how to use subscript and superscript in MS Word. The subscript and superscript meaning is, see here, for example, if you want to type like this, okay, let me maximize here. Okay, suppose if you want to type like this or like this or like this, we need to go for using subscript and superscript. Subscript means this H2, which is at the bottom. From the normal word text, it will be at the bottom. Similarly 4, 2 and 4, we call it as subscript. Whereas this 2 and 3, x square 2 plus y cube. So 2 and 3, this is superscript, right? Sub means below, this is up. So how to do this? Let us go straight. Okay, now in order to use subscript and superscript, what you have to do is just enter what you want. First of all, that is, you want H, you want to H2 S O 4, right? It is a chemical formula for sulfuric acid H2SO4. So I just want the 2 to be like this, right? So like this I want. Similarly 4 also. So how to do this is, just select the 2. Now you go to this, go to the Word document above, go to these 3 dots, more font options. Just click it. Here in more font options, there are many options: subscript, superscript, then change case. I want subscript, so click that. It has come down. Similarly, select 4. After selecting 4, come back to 3 dots, press subscript. Okay, this is okay. Now H2O, H, then 2, then O. It is water, chemical formula for water. So I want the H2O to be like this, 2 to be down, subscript. So in order to do that, select this 2, come to 3 dots, click subscript. Click. Okay. 1 minute. Made a mistake. Select this 2, come to 3 dots, then click subscript. Let me delete it. H2O. After selecting 2, come to 3 dots, select subscript. Yes. Right. Actually, I am using online MS Word. Maybe due to net connection, it's not that was earlier. It was not working. Okay. So this is the correct way of working. Right. Now I want to use superscript. So in such cases, I want to type x square plus y cube equal to 5. Some equation in mathematics. I want 2 to be up, like square. So select this 2, go to 3 dots, click this superscript. Yes. Again, select this 3, go to 3 dots, click superscript. That's all. Okay. So x square plus y cube. So this 2 and 3 we call it as superscript, whereas in this 2, 4 and 2, right, we call it as subscript. This is a procedure how to use superscript and subscript in MS Word. Okay. Thank you friends. Hope you understood how to use subscript and also superscript. Okay. Thank you so much.